Well, you'll recall we've been telling you how very unhappy the coalition of city unions has been with the financial stability agreement that City Council is now considering. Well, early this morning, they went before Judge William Collette. Now, you'll recall he is the very same judge who took steps to put any such agreement on hold. That ended up in the Court of Appeals. Well, they've come before him with a similar but different case. They're saying that this particular agreement only came about because the Open Meetings Act was violated 44 times. The attorney for the Coalition of City Unions is driving back from Lansing, but the spokesperson tells us they will ask the judge to throw out this agreement now before council.
We need to go back to square one. This agreement just does not work because it was arrived at from an illegal activity.
Will council and everyone else be able to just put things on hold until April 9th?
Well, you know, they're going to be putting a lot of stuff on hold because subpoenas are going to start flying all over the place from Andy Dillon on down to figure out who did what when and why did they do it. And there are some people on city council who have been very clear that they would not meet with the governor because they wanted everything to be out in the open. And so if I can recall correctly, there was at least
Watson,
Joanne Watson, Kwame Kenyatta, and Brenda Jones. Those three at least saw that, in fact, by meeting in an effort to reach consensus, to get a deal done out of the view of the public, was actually illegal.
And the attorney, again, on his way down from Lansing, told me by phone that they did drop off their motion yesterday afternoon at Treasurer Dillon's office, but that this morning no one from the state, it's usually the state attorney general who will show up for the defendants, in this case the state, no one showed up in court. Still, though, Judge Collette did grant a show cause hearing now scheduled for April 9th. Big question, though, what is going to happen in between? We do know that the scheduled meeting of the financial review team that had been set for today has now been canceled this morning. They may be tied. We'll be getting some further information, of course, trying to reach the state to get their side of the story. But that's the very latest. Reporting live downtown, Val Clark, 7 Action News.